Hello, I'm Brian Mikado from Magenta Research, and I'm here to discuss the Clarian Health System project that we worked on in Indiana University. Clarian Health incorporated a 30,000 square foot facility, which included a 10-bed medical exam room, surgery suite, transportation center with built-in ambulance, 12 computer lab room, and a 1,000-foot classroom. This solution required high-definition video to be sent from the remote locations to a head end where the video was processed and recorded, and then also sent to the classrooms where students could watch and participate in the lectures. The challenges involved were sending high-resolution uncompressed video from different distance locations from the remote classrooms to the head end. Magenta Research offered a unique solution with our Mondo Matrix and Morphit, which allowed 1920 by 1200 resolution video to be extended from these remote locations to the head end to the remote locations without any compression or degradation of the video signal. The challenges involved in this installation incorporated sending the high-definition video over long distances. Typical installations might use a system using RGBHV mini coax cable or an IP encoding solution. RGBHV mini coax is typically limited to shorter distances and lower resolutions. The cost of that copper is also quite prohibitive when compared to a UTP installation. Video over IP was another option. However, the high-definition nature of the video increased the bandwidth requirements of the IP solution, which created a cost limitation and a technology limitation for IP. Magenta's solution used high-resolution video over UTP. However, the UTP is not on the network, which allowed us to send 96 unique video sources to 80 different classrooms without worrying about any bandwidth on the network, as well as without compressing or reducing the quality of the video at all. The Clarian Health project utilized our WSTX wall plate transmitters in the remote locations and our AK 600-foot receivers in the display locations. The transmitters and receivers were tied together using our Morphit chassis, which enabled us to equalize out up to 500 foot of cable distance from the remote locations, and then tied these 96 different video sources into our Mondo Matrix switch. The Mondo Matrix switch is a buildable matrix switch which can start off as a 16 by 16 and can be filled upgradable up to a 256 by 512 full matrix switch. At the Clarian Health project, the 96 by 80 switch were extended to the displays via the AK 600-foot receiver, which allows for RGBHV audio and full duplex RS-232 control. After the technology was installed at Clarian Health, Magenta Research tested the solution using 1920 by 1200 resolution Excel spreadsheets. Magenta Research passed this test with flying colors. High-resolution uncompressed video is a requirement of the medical industry, and Magenta Research offered a unique solution which enabled us to extend, switch, and distribute 1920 by 1280 resolution video over extreme distances on UTP cabling. Magenta Research has 12 years of experience in the AV industry, which allows us to provide unique solutions for high-resolution uncompressed video extension, distribution, and matrix switching.